Streamception. Anyway, hello there. I am so fucking scared that everything is gonna break. Well, we shall see. Hey, cat. Hey, cat. Toggle display capture. Let's wait it out in here, I guess. How are you doing, Kato? Bam, 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 bam. Are you ready for your turn? Do you have the thing ready? Spotify, pause. I was asking if you have your thing ready. Sammy? Yeah, I was totally not working on it like 5 minutes ago, but I'm gonna continue on this stream, so I guess that's fine. Yeah. Wow, TD. Okay. This is going to be a mess with my stream setup. Well, okay. Welcome everyone. Spotify play. I'm not sure if my StreamerBot setup can handle this amount of people, so I guess we will find out. Also, for everyone who is typing join, let me just check that command is working. So, 1 second. Okay. Where is this shit hiding? In the groups, right? Settings, groups. Well, it doesn't seem to be working for me, what? Maybe it's just slow, hopefully? Because I don't see the action history either. And I'm connected. Huh. Okay, let's have a look at this. I don't know why it's not working. I am guessing my StreamerBot instance is just overriding it. And that's bullshit. Okay. Toggle display capture. So, oh, now it disconnected. That's good. Huh. Interesting. I guess I just have to reconnect. Yes, I did. It seems like it disconnected or crashed or something. I'm thinking of relaunching this. Hey, Bob. OBS is holding. Yeah, it's just kicked me for no reason. Okay, I am reconnected. Maybe. It is now listening for chat messages. Okay, can you guys write join again? Yeah, now it's working. So my guess is StreamerBot got very confused because if you look at the viewers, we are kinda everyone. We are Lifesaver, MarkusoOoO, and Nutty. So I feel kinda splitted. Okay, anyway, technical difficulties away. Nutty, thank you for raiding into me. Your poor community is gonna experience a hell realm. I'm not gonna say anything about my commands because the second you guys try it, you're gonna break it. So I'm just gonna pretend I have no commands, no cool stuff on my stream, okay? And I'm just gonna quickly show you what I worked on, okay? Visually, you guys can drop your joins now, and then you can just chill. Because I will be starting to explain what the fuck I actually made, how I made it, and how it works. So, yeah. Oh no, that Tony knows. Oh no, not the bad joke, Tony. God damn it. Also, it seems like my PC is like very unhappy right now. God damn it. Holy shit, I have no idea what's going on. Poor StreamerBot. Let's ignore that. Is this still okay? Yes, it is populating you guys in, so... Okay, let me show you visually what I made. If I manage to find it. It is, basically, Wheel of Fortune. And I don't remember where I put the... Wait, there is more folders here. It's gonna be in one of those. Yeah, in this and here, I guess. So
fuck off. Hey, fuck off.
Thank you
fuck
for the
off
unfollow.
Fuck off.
Oh, I also forgot to say. I'm just gonna thank for the unfollows, okay? So thank you for the unfollows. But low key, thank you for the follows, everyone. Let me say your names. Reswan Coder, Soaring Eagle, Banner Mahatap, beautiful name. Randy Disok, Doc Artbodius, D1 S4TV, Whipstick, I know you. Sammy, of course, Pony, thank you for the follow. Angel Lady, Ariel FNGG, Sonic Orochi, Detain, you know, I know your name too. The Bob Project, Dev Gamer Girl, and the Veneshotter. Thank you everyone for the follows, it means a lot to me. Also, what the fuck is going on with my... Oh, yeah, we broke it. With the follows. Yeah. So, what's happening in my chat is that when I reach a certain number of followers, it should auto-update, which it did, but it seems like to be very confused. And also, it's giving chimichangas to you guys, which are my custom points. So yeah, we broke it successfully, as I was expecting. I had no way of testing it, so yeah, there we go. Anyway, let me show you what I was making. We will see how much time I will have left, and I will show you the dice 3D effect, but what I made is this. It's a Wheel of Fortune. So you spin it, and you land on something. Nothing too special about that, right? Well, it is fully customizable. You can change the number of the sections, you can change the names, you can change the pictures on it, and I will explain how. And each of those, let's say, rewards, you can actually hook up with StreamerBot. It is ready to go and use with StreamerBot. My big plans before were that I will actually make the second version of this, which will be like collecting users, but I was lazy. I'm gonna be honest, so I didn't end up doing that. So we will roll with this. We will put it into the rate train StreamerBot, and I will explain how to customize it and how exactly it works. So if you guys don't like code, you're scared of the big text and characters in the text, you should run away. Drop the join so you are in the giveaway from Pulsoid. And yeah, let's see the scary characters. So first off, let me look in here. So in the console, if I refresh it, you can see we are getting the actual reward name, right? So we landed on 2-minute timeout, and 2-minute timeout is in the console, and this is also being sent into the StreamerBot, but on the different port than it's already set up on. So I'm gonna change that, so we will receive it, and then we will work on that from that point. So what I'm basically gonna do is kinda implement this into StreamerBot, so we can time out people with the command when you redeem this, or give you points, but they will be like fictional points. TD, which is I think 5th streamer in the raid train, will be making system for the points, and he will implement this into it. So currently it will be just for the show, but yeah. So let's go for it, I guess. So let's first connect this StreamerBot. So Nati was putting a port 8080 in there since his thing works with it. Oh no, Nina, now you cursed me. Of course I am the best streamer for breaking everything. I'm pretty sure there was a time when stuff worked on my stream like 100%, and I was streaming like 3 days in a row, and each day everything just died. That's a Spotify music, Tony. Okay, I'm gonna say something that I'm gonna regret. You can actually try and request songs, but as we were talking about, it's gonna probably break my stream. The command for that is !SR space and the name of the song space artist, optionally. But I'm warning you, it might break my stuff, because I'm not sure if it's gonna work as intended. Yeah, it broke. Okay, I'm gonna disable that command real quick. 1 second. God fucking damn it. Spotify player on. Kad or Nina, can you try it again? I think it's gonna break again, but you can see it in real life. Okay, I'm gonna disable it, and what I'm gonna do, which I don't usually do, I don't allow people to put songs straight up into my queue, but I'm gonna allow it on this stream. So you can request whatever songs you want, but I will skip the song if I don't like it or anything, okay? So I'm gonna disable the SR command and I'm gonna re-enable queue command for everyone. So we can put songs directly in my queue in Spotify. Okay, so the queue is somewhere in here, yeah. Okay. And the request song is here. Let's just disable that for now. There we go. I can put this away for now. Spotify stop script. Spotify start script. Spotify player on. Okay, now you can put the songs in my queue. Maybe. Nina, I think you were too quick. Probably. Huh. Huh. Well, this is how it usually goes on my streams. It is not listening for the commands in my main, huh? Oh, I see why. Second. I know why. Now. Okay, now. Now it's gonna work. For sure. 100%. There is no doubt in my mind this is gonna crash my stuff. Oh? Spotify next. Okay. Seems like that's working. Okay, I'm gonna hide this and just pray it's gonna work, okay? Have fun with the song request. I'm gonna actually try and finish the thing I made for this Streamer.bot rage train, okay? Deal? Oh no. It broke so quickly. What the? Damn it. Okay, but this is not my fault, okay? This a huge wall of text is not my fault. This is actually Spotify fault. Yeah, the API isn't catching up quickly enough. That's not my fault. Spotify player on. Okay, now it's totally dead. God fucking damn it. Yeah, TD. Why did you broke it? Are you working for Spotify? God damn it. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Usually when you restart stuff, that solves the issue, right? Also, every time you guys hit follow, it seems like to give you my points, which is giving you a lot of power, but you don't know about it. And I should maybe shut up about that. Okay, let me close this. Spotify start script. Okay. Spotify player on. And probably this is fine. What I think we are doing with this is that we are hitting the API limit. Because I am scraping the song info too quickly. I think when we are putting songs into queue, it is just crashing on that. That's what I think is happening. But I'm just gonna, again, I'm gonna hide this. Everything is fine and it's working. Okay. Nina, I'm just saying, I will skip some songs you requested. when I see the names. Okay. Okay. Come on, cat. I am handling the rate limiting. The issue is I am sending multiple requests too quickly to API. Like, not the same request, but different kind of request. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just reset it. It always works. Okay. I know this song, actually. I'm not gonna skip it. Okay, thank you, Cat. So we need to set the correct port, yeah? Okay. Oh. I cannot start it on this freaking port because... Oh no, you guys are figuring out my commands. Oh no! Nice try, Nina. Those are disabled. That would actually fucking explode my PC if that was working, Nina. And you know it. That's why you're trying it, right? yeah, it will be back someday, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna change it to 8.1 so I dodge the main StreamerBot port. And I will change it back before I will pack this up. And I will change it in here also. Exactly, Cat. Exactly. Oh no. Huh. I think my instance of StreamerBot is kinda broke. God damn it. Markus, how secure is opening ports for these types of scripts? So, when you look at this address, this is your local address. Basically, it's your local LAN IP. You could see like localhost instead of 127.0.0.1, but it's not a security issue since you just opening one port on your LAN. If someone like gets on your local network, maybe, but I'm guessing you're not allowing people to your Wi-Fi or, you know, inside and plugging the cable, right? So it should be kind of secure. Okay. Why isn't this working? God damn it. I'm scared to kill or close this instance. Exactly, Toon Phantom. But there is not a zero risk, you know? If someone is at your local... you see what I... So... Let me just check something real quickly. I'm never gonna get to actually fixing this, am I? I want to change the camera. There we go. If I now close this instance, Is it gonna explode? What do you think? Also, what I noticed, and what might be causing issues for me in particular, is this. Have a look at this. So if you look into the, I think it was stream apps, no, platforms, channel points. I have a mixed bag of channel points in here from previous streamers, but I am not affiliated with Twitch. So what I think is maybe happening for me in particular is that's causing issues internally. But I cannot confirm that. Because why isn't this allowing me to start the server? Like, why is it unable to start it? Okay, I can put like 5 there. Maybe that's gonna solve the issue. No, it's just gonna always say that. So you want logs, cat? What if I do localhost, which is basically the same? No. I mean, I can give you logs, sure. You wanna dig in that kind of dirt? Sure. Yeah, Randy, it seems like the ports are blocked, but it's very sus that all my ports are blocked, you know? Like from 8080 to 8086, you know? Like, that's probably not the issue. I know I can run more than one. I'm just saying this is just not working right now. Okay, let me send that to you, Kat. Doo-doo. What if I do 99? No. You see, it doesn't matter which port, what port I put in there. So, okay, I'm gonna restart this. Hopefully we will not lose joiners for the giveaway. So let's just close it and reopen it. And let's give it a little bit time. And we will reopen it hopefully successfully. Okay. Huh. Spotify player on. Spotify player on. Spotify next. I don't know what to do with this. I cannot show you guys or even test this if it's not gonna let me start the server. Okay, now it's working when I change it from the local host. Okay. I'm not gonna complain. I'm happy. Cool. Easy. Missing goal. Let me check if this works. So you guys, you just need to stare at stuff for long enough and it starts working, okay? That's usually how I fix stuff. Is missing or is missing here? Missing is here. Cool. Okay, join is still working. Cool. Okay. Everything is fine. So if I now do this, yeah, we are sending the data. We are sending the data. Yay! Okay. Holy shit. How much time did 30 minutes I was okay. Also, I am very uncomfortable with how many messages, like breaking messages, are being put into my I kind of want to fix them, but if I start fixing something else, fuck it. Okay, so we're gonna create a new action. Nina Nina knows me too well. Okay. So we need an action to actually catch what's being sent to StreamerBot, the WebSocket server. Right? That's like the first part we need to do. And this is what you usually do with these kinds of interactions, let's say. How would I... So what's happening in the background, and I'm gonna get a little bit technical, not too technical, but a little bit technical, if I can find... So we are just defining the board, same thing that Natty does, and I'm pretty sure also Life was doing. And then we are defining the action ID that we will target and where we will send the answer at the end. Also, just a little sneak peek here. This is the place where you can change all the names, price names. You can add images to them, and you can change the colors. I put it in the one... It's everything in one place, even though it's a CSS properties. Also, if you want to be evil, you can change the probability where it will land. So currently, it's being split by the number of prizes. And number of prizes is just how many prizes you have in this pool, right? In here. Just the names. It's counting the names you inputted in here. So let's say we always want it to land on 5 minutes timeout. Okay. Let's change the fair probability to 0. And let's change probability to land on the first item to 1. So it's 100% probably it's gonna land there. So now if I go back into the wheel and I refresh it, we will always hit 5 minutes timeout. Every time I refresh, it's gonna land there. Also, you can see it's rotating at random times. You can see that up. No instant replay, fuck off. It is logging how many times it rotates, and it's also landing on different parts of the wheel. Each time I refresh, it's gonna land there. Now, no, it's not the rig. Now it's fair. Now everyone is getting timeout. So I like that. If I want to make it fair, I will just go here and I change it back so it's fair. It is splitting 100% by the number of the prices, and it's putting that probability into each one of them. When I save this, it is gonna be random. And it is not rigged. Now it's gonna be random. Play random sound. 100 points. Do I have to keep going to make my point? 30 points. Also, one more thing. You can change the size. It's just one number, and you can change the size. So let's say we want it to be a lot smaller. Let's do 500, I guess. Probably the images aren't gonna fit there, but let's try that. Yeah, action, get away. Oh, we have the illegal character in there. You fucking illegal character, get away from my code. Okay, save it. It's coming back every time. Holy shit. It's still there. Wait. 63. Oh. Okay. So now it's a lot smaller, right? Like a lot smaller. What I want to do in here is also give you an option to disable the pictures and switch between horizontal text and vertical text. So you can have the text vertically. Okay, let's put it back at 1000 and let's finish the StreamerBot setup. Okay, so we are sending it, we need to catch it, right? Let's call this group StreamerBot Rate Train Wheel of Fortune. I mean, and let's give it the name Rate Train Wheel of Fortune. Pick answer. Okay, so we have the action. How I'm gonna now pick or get this answer? Well, what I'm doing in the code itself, in the JavaScript of this Wheel of Fortune, is that I'm subscribing to the WebSocket server we defined up here, right? Kolo šťastia. Cat, it's Kolo šťastia. I think I need to work on that, Nina. So we are subscribing to the WebSocket server, right? And then we are sending the data to the StreamerBot WebSocket server here. And we are sending it to the action we specified, which is an action ID up here. So we need the correct action ID if you want to receive the answer in StreamerBot. So if I go back in StreamerBot, I can get the ID if I right-click this and click on the copy action ID, and this gives me the ID of the action. And I can plop it in here. And save it. Okay, we need some kind of way that it's actually getting this answer, right? So in this action, in sub-action, let's just log it. No, that's too scary for you guys, right? Let's just send it into the chat. So we will do Twitch, chat, send message to channel. And what's the name of the variable we are receiving? Well, if you look at the bottom, it is, or the arguments. What's the name of the argument? It's called will answer. So we want to get that. As you surely know, if you want to define a variable in a string, inside StreamerBot subactions, you need the percentages before and after. And now we're gonna spam chat. How fun is that? Okay. So if I now spin it, you guys should see what's gonna land here. There might be a bit delay, but let's see. Did it? It's totally worked, right? I am just blind. Wait. My magic trick! Should be fine. If you don't have a bot account and you select it here, it should still be fine. But yeah, let's try that. If I go into action queues, action history... Thank you for the follow, 0 places. Okay, if I refresh it now. You see it's still not working and not sending the message. So there might be... Okay, if I copy the action ID, did I put the correct action ID in there? I did. I'm starting to suspect that right now I am connected. I can actually output it in there. Good thinking, Toon Phantom. Okay, let's just output what where we connecting. Okay. So I can just do console log. Connecting to. And we can plop this in here. I was just gonna say that. So it is sending the... Wait. Oh yeah, okay, so it's connecting to my other... God damn it. Thank you, Toon Phantom. It is connecting to my other StreamerBot because my other StreamerBot is on 8080. And of course I was testing this to make sure this works. And I left that open. Okay. Now let's spam chat. 2-minute timeout. It landed a 2-minute timeout. Play random sound. Landed and play random sound. Okay, you get the gist. So now we are successfully getting from this little Wheel of Fortune, which is fully customizable, the correct reward, which we defined in it, right? So let's just make some of those. Let's play random sound if it lights in there. Let's hide my webcam if it lights in there. Spotify, volume down. Spotify, volume down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's timeout again. It timed out. God damn it, Spotify! Spotify player on. It is okay. Yeah. And it's not even being sponsored by it. Spotify script on. Spotify script on. Spotify start script. Spotify player on. Spotify volume down. Okay. I'm kinda scared to touch it again, but okay. Let's make the play random sound action in it so it's included. I will leave the points to TD. I will just leave it blank basically with comment that he will implement it. And let's implement timeouts, and then I will give you guys a command that you can use to test it out on stream. Right? That could be fun. Okay. For me. Okay. So we need like 3 things now. OBS. This one is empty. And I will export the scene I will make here. We need a command that will start this whole wheel. And we need to make the actions itself that are gonna happen. I know, Bob, right? What could go wrong? Okay, let's make a scene. I'm gonna rename this one and call it Wheel of Fortune. I know, very creative. Thank you for the lurk, cat. And let's add an empty browser source. And let's call it Bye, Yukio. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so we have an empty Holy shit, guys. You just got 5,850 chimmies to your accounts. All of you in the chat. Holy shit. Just because the banner after each follow was giving away points to everyone. Fuck me. God damn it. Vip, it's okay that you are rich now, but you have no idea how much power you just gained with those chimichangas. And on this stream, I'm not gonna say anything anymore because this could go very wrong very fast. So I'm just gonna continue on this, okay? Pretend I said nothing. Yeah, you have a lot more than 1,000. Holy shit. You're still not at the first rank, but you're at second rank. Okay, let's put this on the full screen. No, Nina, you don't need more power. You are a queen already. You don't need more power, Nina. Okay. Let's create the redeem itself now. So... Oh no, more advanced. No, god damn it, Nina, why are you showing that off? I could crash at this point if you don't do any more advanced commands, Nina. It's gonna seriously crash, I think. I can feel the lag. No, it's fine. It's fine. No, it's fine. I'm kidding. I am thinking if there is any commands I am really scared of.
Got a new suit recently made entirely of living plants. I wasn't sure at first, but it's grown on me.
Oh yeah, bad joke. It is not timed properly if there is too many chat messages in it. So badumts happens usually too soon. And you got it on the start of the bad joke. So oh, holy shit, Nina, you just lost 50,000. Okay. Let's continue with the redeem, right? StreamerBot, Rate Train, Wheel of Fortune. Redeem. I swear it's 50-50%, okay, on the steal, Nina. But technically you can get really rich this way. Anyway, I'm gonna stop thinking about the chimichangas. It is 50-50. Come on, guys, show Nina that steal is 50-50. Steal from someone else. I'm from Slovakia. I can encourage people to steal, right? It's not stealing if they don't catch you. So if it's successful, you actually steal the chimichangas from the target. If it's not successful, you lose twice the amount. And it's also checking if you actually have that amount of chimis in your pocket. Spotify volume up. Okay. Nina. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no. You see, Nina, I told you. It's totally not rigged. Like 100% not rigged against you. It is 50-50. There is high chance that you can get 4 times in a row the bad side, right, of the coin. It is pretty high possibility, I think. Okay. You know me, I would never do anything like that, Nina. To anyone. I'm a good demon lord. I'm a good demon lord. All of the demon lords are the good ones. It's always the angels and the other side that's not good. Mm-hmm. No, no, no. There's nothing like that in there. Okay, so we need to target this browser source in OBS first. So you can find that in the category of OBS. Yeah, doc. Yeah. And I believe it's somewhere in sources. Yeah. And set browser source. Yeah. So the URL in here, we're gonna create the argument. So it would depend where you place your Wheel of Fortune, like the file itself, and it's gonna target the HTML. So let's call this Wheel of Fortune path. Thank you for the lurk, Nina. Okay, we need to set that argument now. Let's see. So we are setting the argument, which will change from person to person. So you can put the path in here. My path currently, so we can try it. Is this. Also, one more thing. We need to use the actual link from the browser that's being generated. In this case, it's file // and then the actual path. So you will get this path if you just double click the HTML file and it opens in any browser. You will get that. Right? So if I go again in here and I just double click the index.html, it's gonna open in here. Oh, of course, it's gonna also say what it landed on. So I'm gonna take that. And we're gonna plop it in this argument. So we are setting the correct browser source. Now we need to show that browser source, which is, again, OBS, sources. Also, guys, if you want to listen to something else than what's playing currently, !Q, like one letter, Q, space, and whatever you want to listen to. I reserve the right to skip it, but you can request it. Also a reminder, since we are already nearly 1 hour in, this stream is dedicated to StreamerBot and also Nate, who made the StreamerBot. Also, I love you, Whip. You are awesome too for making the chat for StreamerBot. And we are celebrating 3 years that StreamerBot is public. And if you write !Join, you can join the giveaway for the Pulsoid heartbeat sensor. I am starting to think we are not gonna actually make this fully. Not that I'm surprised, but okay, source, and we want to show the source. So with source visibility state. There is only one scene and only one source. So what happens when we make this visible in OBS? Well, same thing as happens in here. It got connected to the StreamerBot, and it sends the answer to the action which we defined in here, right? So how do we get this answer? We can store this in the global variable. Spotify volume down. Spotify volume down. Oh, it's gonna go now really low. Okay. So, how global variables work in StreamerBot? I want to make a tutorial about this. because I think not many people are making like explanatory tutorials about variables and arguments and how exactly that works in StreamerBot. So global variables, my take on it is, or my explanation is, you have two different sub-actions. You can either get the global variable or you can set the global variable, right? What do we want to do? So, do we want to get it or set it? Well, we don't have any global variable, so we want to set it. So the sub-action global set does this. You can select the destination. Currently, it's gonna be, I'm gonna talk about the global variables. Thank you for the follow, Singer. And we need to define the name of the global, I need to say that louder, global variable, which we will call wheel answer. And what's gonna be the value? Well, we are getting argument, which is not the same thing as a variable in this case. All the arguments, by the way, let me just put it in there. All the arguments can be listed if you go into the action queues and you right click any of the actions that were run, and you can look at the variables, aka arguments in StreamerBot, and what are their values. So for example, oh, interesting, it's actually triggering stuff that's being set in this. Okay. I'm thinking this might be colliding with some of my stuff, like what Life put in here. But I don't know. Spotify volume up. Anyway, if I go back to the queue, I can right-click any of the previously run actions, right? And I can view arguments. It's not a global variable. That's different. These are arguments. And you can see all of them in this table, name of the argument and the value of the argument. Well, how do you transfer global variables into arguments in StreamerBot? That's what's the second core logic. It was globals. Get will do that for you. If you click on this one, you have more options here, right? And basically what's this asking you is, what's the global variable that should exist called? What's the argument you want to call it in this action? And what's the default value if it doesn't exist? So first, variable, it's confusing because everything is variable, but this is global variable, this first row. This is argument name, destination variable, and default value is if the global variable doesn't exist yet and you're still trying to get it, what it should set it as. And you will work with this middle one. So if I put in here test variable, I am asking StreamerBot, hey, look at all the global variables stored in my StreamerBot and give me the value of it. If it doesn't exist, this last row is the default value. Give it, I don't know, 0. It can be string or whatever. If it exists, or if it even doesn't exist, put the value of the global test variable into this argument. You can call it the same. That's fine. But you can call it something else. Test. I am very good at naming stuff. So now, if I press OK, and I want to work with the value of the global variable, I am not gonna type test variable in the next sub-actions. I'm gonna write test because that's what's being executed in the next sub-actions. Also, if you want to see all the global variables, you can click this button up here, which is called variables. And you can see all the persistent global variables. Or non-persistent. There is also one more type, but I'm not gonna bother you with that. Does it make sense? Welcome back, Cat. Could you put the Spotify sound to something more that's actually not at nearly zero, please, Cat. Thank you. Okay. I didn't rig anything, Nina. I would never. Okay, we're gonna stop outputting this answer into chat. Let me just copy the name. And what we want to do is actually get that global variable. Because we can set the default value. No, we can set it. In this, we can set it. So we are setting it, and we are setting it at the value of the argument. Isungu. Moderators can gip only. Yeah. I'm just saying only moderators can do that. So what we're doing here, again, is that we are taking the will answer global variable and we are giving it the value of the argument called will answer, which we are getting in this pick answer action, because we are sending it from the wheel of fortune. The moment we show in OBS the wheel of fortune, it will be populated. It will be set into this global variable called will answer. So what we need to do in the redeem is to wait. Once we make this wheel visible, we need to wait so it processes and sends it into the pick answer. How long do we need to wait? Well, I am putting like half a second in there. We shall see if that works. So let's put a delay of half a second in there. I think gift also works. But again, it works only for the moderators. Like, there is multiple commands for that. Okay. So when we wait for that, we should have the answer in here, right? So what do we want to do? You want to take that answer and do the German give. Or has gip another meaning? It's just me and Cat being goofy and putting gip as an option in there. Nothing else. It's just shorter by one character. Okay, so now we have the answer, right? Well, there is multiple ways we can do this. Let's do it the easy way. We want to get the variable, right? The global variable, which is in globals, get. So we set it in the pick answer. Now we are getting it. Default value can be something that's not actually in there. So let's put 0 in there for sure. Shouldn't matter. And the destination value, we can call it whatever we want, because we're gonna work with that. This is the argument it's asking us. That's gonna be in subsequent subactions launched, basically, or you can pass it into the subsequent subactions. So I'm just gonna call it the same because it's the easiest. So what I wanted to do with this is explain how exactly it works. And that's it. Okay, so we now have the correct value. We still have the wheel open. So we might want to do the action that it landed on. How does the groups work in StreamerBot itself, not in the C# of StreamerBot? Let me see. I swear it has to be in the core. No? Groups? Hello? You just create a group and you cannot do anything with it now? Then? Or you can do it inside. You can create a weight for it. Okay, well, I'm gonna do it the hard way, I guess. So for each different event on the wheel, we will create one action. So play random sound, hide my webcam, minus any kind or plus any kind of points, okay? So let's do the random sound first. Ray train, Wheel of Fortune. I totally know how to type. Height or random sound. Okay. And in the redeem, we're gonna do if statements. So core, logic, if statements. What are we checking? What variable, aka argument, are we checking? Well, the same one we were talking about the whole time. It's called will answer. And we're just gonna check if it equals. We can auto type it, sure. And we need the exact name from the wheel. My eyes. Why is that white by default, by the way? So the exact name is play random sound. Every letter is capitalized. I'm just saying this. It needs to be exactly the same name. Okay? Because this is what's being sent. This string. So that's what's gonna be compared. Okay, let's go back into the StreamerBot. Madcap, thank you for the follow. Welcome in the pool of the dead. Okay. And what do we want to do if our will answer equals play random sound? Well, we want to do the action called random sound. And we can do this for each of the actions. Also, if we click run action immediately, it means it's gonna wait until it finishes, and it's gonna put it in the same queue as the this action is, which currently it's in default, but we will change that because we want it to be blocking queue. So when multiple people redeem the wheel, it's gonna wait for them, and it doesn't basically it doesn't get fucked, because if if it was running. You get what I'm saying, right? Okay, so if it runs, then we want to continue, yeah. Because then we want to wait and hide the OBS source. We can wait like, or we can hide it straight away. Sure. After the action finishes, or even better, we can unclick run action immediately, so it runs in its own queue and not depending on this redeem. And we know that the wheel is gonna be spinning for a few seconds, right? So let's put 7,000 milliseconds in there, so 7 seconds. And then hide it. I think that's a better approach than being dependent on how long this action is gonna run. Okay, I think live created blocking queue, so let's put the redeem itself in there. And let's put the action also in there. I'm just thinking, looking at what live made. I maybe might, yeah, I should create another queue for this. So it's not in the same blocking queue. These things can happen together, I am guessing, like the welcome and the Barker Discord, which live made. So I might, yeah, let's create another queue then. It's a blocking queue, let's call it Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Ah. Let me just drink something real quick. Okay, so let's change the queue. The Wheel of Fortune. Thank you for the lyric. The Bob Project. Okay. This should, in theory, work, but you guys already know how that goes when I say that. So we should test this. I'm gonna be a bit careful. I'm gonna create a new command for this. I'm gonna call it wheel. Let's call it Wheel of Fortune. Woof. Woof. And I'm gonna allow only moderators for now to do this. I'm gonna link it to the redeem core commands, and it's gonna be triggered on command trigger, and it's gonna be triggered on the woof. Currently, it's not gonna do. Maybe it's gonna do something, but what I want to do is to, if it reaches this point, output the message into the chat again, so we can continue from that point. I totally know what I'm looking at. Chat message. There we go. There we go. So if I try woof, and it should say after 7 seconds, which is kinda long. No? It didn't say anything? Maybe because we were still connected there. Let's try it again. Oh, it works. Is 7 seconds too long? No, what I can do is to go in here, and when this is triggered, it's gonna hide the wheel. So I don't have to hide it at all. So I'm just gonna copy this, copy, and it's gonna be hidden when we actually receive the message. And maybe let's put a small delay in there. I don't know, 200 milliseconds. So right now I am in the wrong action, of course. I was gonna say I am in, and I was not. I am in the pick answer. And what I'm doing here, let's put it at 500 milliseconds, is that when we receive the answer, oh, Bob, you didn't see the play random sound in there? It is in my chat. I'm not sure if it's not working just for you or... I see it in my chat. Does anyone else see the play random word? Yeah. It might be you then. Or Twitch. You know, Twitch. Smile. Okay, so we are getting the answer, and we are waiting a little bit, and then we are hiding it. But this is gonna be really quick, so... It's... Yeah, let's do it like this, whatever. Oh, are you looking for channel points, huh? There are none on my channel. Minus 20 points. No? I'm hiding it twice, which I don't have to do. Oh, I'm dumb. I am dumb. Guys, I made it so when it lands on the freaking... Nobody told me! When it lands on one reward, then it's gonna show it in the chat. So it's landing on different rewards. Of course it's not gonna do anything when it's landing on the different rewards. That's correct behavior, god damn it. I was so confused, like, what? Okay. Let's rig the wheel for a second so it always lands on it. So we can work with it now. Just to make sure everything works as expected. So let's put the probability at 0. Right? And then we want it for the random sound, which is 4th from the bottom. So it's gonna be 100% probability that it's gonna land there. Let's see it now. Yeah, it's instant now. Also, you can see the flash of white when it shows, right? We can get rid of that. It is loading the browser in, that's why you see it there. Yeah. It's doing it because we need to set to hide the... Overflow is hidden though. In here. Let me just do this real quick. Nope. Now we see it the whole time. I am sure I fixed this before. Yeah, it's showing briefly the it's not the OBS. I don't think at least it's OBS. I'm just trying to think what is causing this. I'm pretty sure I encountered this already once. Let me look in my different folders so we can get rid of it while I'm thinking about it. How much time do we have? Oh my god. Okay, let's finish this. This can be there. I will send the updated version. Let's finish the rest of the actions. Maybe I should have done it as Nutty and just prepare the whole thing and don't do anything on stream. But that way I cannot explain how it exactly works, right? So it's like I could eat for 40 minutes. Now it's done. There you go. It's doing the thing. Okay, let's finish the random sound. So we can just simply do... There is a sub action for that. It's in core. Sounds. Play sound from folder. And you just define the folder. We can define this. Sure. We're gonna need an argument for this. Again, it's gonna be on the person's computer, so they need to put their path in there. So I'm just gonna put whatever in there for now. It's not allowing. Okay. Can I just do sounds path? Yeah. Okay, and we need to define the argument. Sounds path. Let's see where we have the sounds that I prepared. In here. I kinda cannot test it right now, so I just need to call the command. It should do random sound. I think it's working. Okay, and what we can do is to say that it was redeemed, right? So we have confirmation in chat also for the user. So in here we will say Twitch chat, send the message. We can say user, you just redeemed random sound. Or redeemed, you just landed on random sound. On the wheel. There we go. That would be ideal to not do this. Is it not actually putting it into the queue? Wait. I guess the hiding itself takes a bit of time. So maybe I should put a delay in here too. Like 1 second. So when it's hidden fully. Nice. Okay. Also, the time this, we should move. Okay, we can put the delay in here. So it's basically gonna wait in here for the answer, and we can delete it from here. Okay, fair enough. Yeah. Now if I do it again, it's gonna spin. Or not. Wait, did we break it? Oh no. Oh no. It's broken now. Guys, we broke it successfully. It's just not. Okay. OBS, thank you. This is OBS bug, by the way. Let's reopen OBS. That should fix it. Mm-hmm. Okay, it is not showing it anymore. It's like, no thank you. Try it again. Okay. It landed on the sound. Surprise, surprise. Wait, now it's not hiding? Huh? Oh. Guys, I'm not dumb, okay? I'm not dumb. Not at all. God damn it. Yeah. Here and there I will do that. Now it's not refreshing because I disabled that. Okay. There we go. Okay. There. I did it the other way around now. I can delete this, but before that I will copy. Okay. Should land there. Should do the sound, which you guys don't hear, I think. Yeah. Okay. Now it works. And I'm always setting it to visible because I'm dumb. There we go. Now it's correct. I want you guys to hear the random sounds, so I need to change the device. I think this one should be good for you. It lands there. Yep, I just have a folder with sounds in it, exactly. I'm gonna attach that sound folder together with this. There is just few random sounds in it. Okay. We need to redo this 2 more times, I believe, for the points and for the height camera. Oh yeah, I had a placeholder in it and then I changed it. Right now it's set to the argument called sound path, and that's being fed in here. No worries. Okay, I'm gonna just create the random color source. We will call webcam, just to show that users can actually do this. Let's do it 500 by 500. Maybe I should put some kind of picture in there, but this is good enough. It just shows that you can do whatever with the wheel, right? And in the hide webcam reward, we gonna say that they landed on. We can actually use the variable in here, the wheel answer. We just landed on, and we will say wheel answer. And then we want to show and then hide it, right? So we want to target the webcam. We want to hide it. If it's hidden, doesn't matter. Then we want to wait. Duplicate. We'll wait for, I don't know. How long should the webcam be hidden? 3 seconds? 4 seconds? And then we will show it again. What are you doing with Java, Bob? Okay. So this will hide the webcam. Let's rig the wheel now. The hide the webcam is here. So if we now redeem that, it should spin behind, land on it, and then hide it. Nope, it plays the random sound. Nice. We are not waiting for the answer here, that's why. Core, delay. Let's give it like half a second. Then get it. Also, can you get it to show the sound plate? What do you mean show the sound plate? Like the name of the sound file, or what do you mean by that? I believe so, that should be possible. Yeah, that should be possible. I'm pretty sure it's stored in a variable. I will have a look at it in a second, but if it's not stored in the variable, you can get it in C#, and I'm not gonna get into that on this. I don't have much time anymore either way, so... Confused cat should get ready. Okay, so the other is hide my webcam. You're always ready. And then we want to do the hide webcam one. There we go. Okay. Now it should do what I want. Yeah, like a main goal for my streams is to show how easy it actually is to create stuff in StreamerBot. Many people are scared of it, but you just need to understand how it works, and then it opens a lot of doors. Let's try if this works. It should do that it hides the webcam in the middle. No? It just skipped everything? Huh. Hide my webcam. Did I copy that incorrectly? I bet I did. Real answer should be hide my webcam. It's landing on the correct stuff. It is using the correct variable. If I look in the queue, oh no, it's laggy. It is doing hide my webcam. What the hell? I'm just gonna go back to default. because we are still doing the run action immediately. We'll answer. Should we? What the hell? Yeah, it is. If. Oh, I'm dumb. Yeah, I'm dumb. Yeah, cat, thank you. And I want to break here. Up here. I did the break on the wrong. Yeah, thank you, cat. Okay, now it's fixed. Sheesh. Let's try it again. Now it should hide the thing. Hide my webcam. It hides it. And then it shows it back. There we go. Okay. So that's another thing you can do other than playing the sound. How much time do we have? We have some time. I'm gonna finish the points and then I will look for the name of the sound, okay? Deal, Bob? Okay, this just hides it. Let's duplicate this. And in here, for the real answer, we just want to check if it contains points. Right? Because we have like multiple where... And also timeout, we want to do the timeout, okay. If we contain points in the name of the answer. If we do, then we cannot do the action yet, so I'm gonna leave that that. I'm gonna duplicate it. Call it handle points. And I need to get the number of the points and what's happening with the points in here. So I have the plus or minus in there, so I can split it and get the amount of points. So TD, when he will be working with this, he will have the amount and what's happening with it. So you can see that we have minus 30, minus 20, minus 20, plus 30, plus 30, plus 100, right? So there is different results. So what we can do, we can keep this in here. Get rid of this. And I'm gonna do a bit of C# magic. I'm gonna keep what we landed on. And in C#, we will try to get that argument, which is called will answer. So now we have a string containing the name, and we want to split it. And we can, when we split it, we will get the minus or plus and the points. So we are interested only in the first split. So we can define that as string points let's call it points. What points? Point string, whatever. And we need to set character, which is a space. And this is going to be an array. Yeah, there will be votes of every streamer will be kept. So you guys can check how and why the things work the way they work in StreamerBot. So each streamer will have their vote archived. Yeah. Yeah, or recordings. Okay, so I can make this as, or this is going to be array. Yeah, it's fun to mess around with it, and it's fully customizable, so you can put whatever you want in it. I just want to make examples so you can see what you can do with it, right? And then you can just customize it to your likings. You can change the colors, you can change the prices, and you can change the actions. Okay, so we have this, should compile now. And we want the first one. And this is going to be actually the points with the... my votes. I will keep my vote in my channel. So when I rate away to cat in few minutes, you can watch it. But all of the votes will be stored together on one place and provided at the end of the rate train. Yeah. We don't know where exactly, as Cat is saying, but we will. How do I get rid of the white space? I forgot. C#. Trim. Trim. We want to trim it. Yeah. Thank you, Cat. Trim. So we will have the number of points with the... What's the thing called? If it's plus or minus. Trim does not exist. Oh, it's dot trim. It's dot trim. Huh? Probably am. Yep. Thank you, Toon Phantom. Yeah, but you know. Okay, I'm gonna store this in an argument now. So cph set argument. So TD can implement this into his point system. It's gonna be stored in the real answer. Again. There we go. So let's say what we're doing. handling. Yeah, I'm just giving him if... Yeah, exactly. I hate C# with its upper. I normally use Java, Kotlin if not working on Streamer. Yeah. I mean, I like C#, but I like Python more. Handling... String. Handling... Points. String. There we go. Let me put... comment here. Points contains amount of points with... What's the name for this in English, actually? Znamienko in Slovak. This is sign? Sign, I guess. Thank you for the lurk again. It's sign in it. There we go. So we have the points, we have the webcam. Timeout one is the last one. So let's just quickly create 2 more. Save it, and it's time to go. Okay, duplicate. Handle timeout. And we basically... You know what? Let's do just both timeouts. So let's do timeout 2 minutes and timeout 5 minutes. Just to not make it more complicated than it needs to be. Okay. And let's just do Twitch. Thank you for the follow, Cowboy Tech TV. And we can do timeout user. As a reason, we can put the wheel spin. Thank you for the follow, Hunter. All good. Landed on with wheel command. And for how long? So this one is for 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds. And the user login is user. Okay. Okay. Can delete this one. Delete, yes. I'm just quickly trying to finish these example actions so I can pack it up and send it to Cat and we can rate him and continue this rate train. That's why I'm so unfocused. Because I want to have this quickly done. And we can do same thing for the 5 minutes, right? So let's plop 5 minutes in here. And 5 minutes times 60, 600 seconds. There we go. This is waiting for it to finish spinning. This is saying it. This is timeouting the person. This is hiding the wheel. And this is waiting. We don't need that there. Okay, so this is... There we go. Okay, we have the points, we have the hide webcam. Okay, we have everything. Let's duplicate these. So if it lands and it contains points, we want to do the points. Handle points. If it contains timeout, we want to do the timeout. Okay, we can do exact. So if it is timeout 2 minutes with capital T. Oh, we are after 2. Okay, we should write cat. Let me pack this up. Yeah, life. Thank you for being here. I'm just trying to make sure this actually works when I give it the cat. I should have done this differently, but whatever now. Okay, done. Equals. There we go. Let me pack this up. I'm doing it on stream, so you all see I'm doing it. Platforms, logout. Forget. Hopefully that worked. We have this disconnected, and let me disconnect from the OBS. There we go. Let's pass this to cat. Stream ending. Thank you everyone for being here. I hope it wasn't too chaotic. But we should have working wheel of fortune. Yep, I clicked save. Don't worry, Toon Phantom. I clicked save. Say hi to Confused Cat from me. And once again, happy birthday, StreamerBot. I hope you will be around for more than 3 more years. At least 60. Wink wink. Spotify, pause.